Hello, little friends. Let's arrange a farm puzzle today. Ready, set, go.
What's that? What's that? What's this?
What's that, are you?
What's this?
Sheep.
What's that?
What does the sheep says? Baa. What's that? Pig. What does a pig says? What does a pig says? Oink oink. Farmer, put it on. Good job. Where's the cow? What does a cow says? Moo. Hound. Where's the hound? Yay, good job. What's that? Chicken. Rabbit. Where's the rabbit? Good job. Horse. What does a horse says? Neigh. Duck. What does a duck says? Quack quack.